Hello, friends, and welcome. Today we're going to learn about the 4 seasons with Peppa Pig. Let's have some fun and learn some new words together. Let's start with winter. Winter is cold. Sometimes it snows. Let's see what Peppa does in winter.
Wear your hats and scarves and gloves.
It is very cold outside. Peppa and George must wear their hats and scarves and gloves.
Come on, George.
In winter it's cold. We wear warm clothes to stay warm. This is a hat. It keeps your head warm. This is a scarf. It keeps your neck warm. These are gloves. They keep your hands warm. What do you wear in winter?
Peppa and George are making a snowman. First they make the body.
George, this is the snowman's body.
Now they make the snowman's head.
Now he needs arms and eyes and a mouth.
George has found some sticks for the snowman's arms. Peppa has found some stones for the snowman's eyes and mouth.
This is his face. Now the snowman needs a nose.
Peppa has got a carrot to make the snowman's nose. The snowman looks very happy.
In winter we can make a snowman when it snows. A snowman needs eyes, a nose, and a mouth. We can even add sticks for the arms.
Haven't got leaves.
In the wintertime, the trees lose their leaves. Peppa and George have found a muddy puddle.
Ooh.
Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Me first.
It is so cold, the puddle has turned to ice. It is very slippery.
It's not funny.
In winter, the trees lose all their leaves. Sometimes the ground is covered with ice. Ice is slippery. Peppa thought it was a muddy puddle, but it was ice. Be careful, you can slip. Let's remember what happens in winter. In winter, it can snow. We wear warm clothes. We can make a snowman. The trees lose their leaves. Sometimes the ground is covered with ice. Winter is cold, but it can be lots of fun. Now it's time for spring. In spring, the weather gets warmer. Flowers start to grow. Baby animals are born in the spring. Let's see what Peppa and George do in the spring.
Pig, Peppa Pig, we've got a special present for you.
Ah, vegetable peelings. Fantastic. My garden will like these.
Does your garden eat vegetables?
Oh, no, Peppa.
In spring, the weather is warming up and plants start to grow. We can plant flowers and vegetables in the garden. Compost is food for plants. It helps them grow big and strong. In spring, we help the garden grow.
Plant pot.
Here's another egg. Squeak!
Rebecca Rabbit has found a chocolate egg hiding under a leafy bush.
Hooray! An egg for me.
Emily Elephant has found a chocolate egg in the branches of a tree.
I think I can smell chocolate.
Freddie Fox has a very good sense of smell.
Yes.
Freddie Fox has found a chocolate egg in the middle of the bird bath.
In spring, many people celebrate Easter. One fun thing to do at Easter is an egg hunt. Children look for colorful eggs hidden outside. It's a fun game that many kids enjoy. Now it's summer. Summer is warm and sunny. The days are long and we can play outside. People like to go to the beach or have picnics. Let's see what Peppa and George do.
Peppa and George are wearing their swimming costumes. Mummy Pig is wearing her swimming costume. And Daddy Pig is wearing his swimming costume.
Because it's so hot, you need sun cream.
Yuck! So oily and yucky. Yuck!
Oh, what a fuss about nothing.
Yes, we all need sun cream today.
Oh.
In summer, the sun is very strong. We wear swimming costumes to play in the water and have fun. It's important to put on sun cream to protect our skin. Sun cream helps keep us safe from the sun's strong rays. That way we can play outside safely.
Peppa and George love their paddling pool.
In summer, it's hot and sunny. Playing in the paddling pool helps us cool down. We can splash and have lots of fun in the water.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
What ice creams would you like?
Can I have a cone, please, Miss Rabbit?
Of course you may, Peppa.
Thank you.
The same for me and one for Daddy Pig, please.
And what would young Mr. George like?
Dinosaur.
In summer, many people like to eat ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet, and it's a nice way to cool off on a hot day. Let's remember what happens in summer. Summer is hot and sunny. We wear swimming costumes and put on sun cream to stay safe. We can play in the paddling pool to cool down, and we can eat ice cream on hot days. Summer is warm, bright, and full of fun. Now it's autumn. In autumn, the weather gets cooler. The leaves on trees change color. They fall to the ground. Let's see what Peppa and George do in autumn.
Red and yellow.
It's autumn time, Peppa.
In the autumn, it gets a bit colder and the leaves change colour.
It's quite windy. Let's play a game to keep warm.
My turn.
The leaves change color in autumn. They turn red, orange, and yellow. It can get cooler and windy in autumn too. In America, people call autumn fall. Both words mean the same season.
Oh, pumpkin.
Grandpa, it is the biggest pumpkin in the world.
Quite possibly.
But how are we going to get such a huge pumpkin to the playgroup?
One step at a time, Granny Pig. We need to make this pumpkin into a lantern.
Ooh.
First, I will scoop out all the inside. Now we cut out the face.
And we put a candle inside to make it glow.
Lovely.
Now we put the pumpkin into the car.
The pumpkin is very, very heavy.
In autumn, we harvest. Harvest means to pick or gather many fruits and vegetables. Besides pumpkins, there are apples, squash, pears, and more. All these grow in the cool autumn weather. We can cut pumpkins to make jack-o'-lanterns. Jack-o'-lanterns have spooky or funny faces.
Old country.
That's odd. Madame Gazelle doesn't have a reflection in the mirror.
I love pumpkin parties. There's dressing up. There are lanterns.
But best of all, there's pumpkin pie.
In autumn, we have fun pumpkin parties. Pumpkin parties are a little bit like Halloween. Children dress up in costumes. We can carve jack-o'-lanterns and eat pumpkin pie. Halloween is a fun autumn celebration. Let's remember what happens in autumn. The leaves change color and they fall from the trees. The weather gets cooler and we can harvest pumpkins, apples, and other kinds of fruits and vegetables. We can make jack-o'-lanterns. And in autumn, we have fun pumpkin parties and celebrate Halloween. Let's remember what we've learned. In winter, it's cold and snowy. We wear warm clothes and play in the snow. In spring, the weather gets warmer, flowers grow, and we celebrate Easter. In summer, it's hot and sunny. We wear swimming costumes. We eat ice cream and play outside. In autumn, the leaves change color and fall. We harvest pumpkins and celebrate Halloween. Each season is special and fun in its own way. That's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the seasons with Peppa and George. Don't forget to come back for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye.